All right, so the boys and I are out here in the woods. We're about to start another adventure with the Pilot. So I'm gonna air down to probably 20 PSI. We're gonna get on the road.
Yeah, this is where we found the cameraman.
This is where we found them, huh?
Yep.
There's one spot on this road that was pretty epic in the past for our Pilot. It was a real good challenge. I honestly didn't think we would make it the first time. And we're gonna see if we can find it again and find out what condition it's in. I'd really like to set up some of my cameras and get it on film before this area gets locked down and we can't get to it anymore. Alright, so we made it through there. I needed a little bit more momentum. If I had a little bit more momentum, I probably could have made it to start with, but... yeah. Keep going, guys. Go up and up and up. Go, Evan. Yes, you can.
Yeah, it's slippery.
That's slippery?
Yeah. One hand? Nope.
You got your booty dirty. Now Mommy's going to be upset with me, huh? That's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, off-roading time. We're off-roading. Oh my god. Whoa, this is really steep. Yeah.
I went ahead and locked it. It's in first gear with VTM lock.
Hey, Dad.
Like I said, this last part is the part I'm concerned about. This hump right here might, I don't know, we'll see. See how much we hit.
Man, look at this. We made it!
Now I just gotta watch it. Now I just gotta watch out for my camera. All right, so we got the hill on film, on camera. We'll have to see if it looks like a baby hill or if it actually looks like a challenge. We did make it up pretty much without a challenge, but you know, like I said, the first time I saw it, I was like, wow, I don't know if we can make that. So what do you guys think about that hill, guys?
Great.
Was it a great hill? Did you think it was a little scary, Evan? Yeah.
Daddy,
What'd you think, Isaac?
Hey, Dad.
You just want to catch salamanders, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put them in this.
In that cup?
And Dad to put tape on the lid. Actually, we have to put some water in it too.
Mm-hmm.
No, they're already water. It's cool to step on this.
Yeah?
Cool.
What's it feel like?
It feels like hard and poked
Like a pillow?
and really squishy. Really cool.
Hey guys, do you see that big hill in front of us?
Yeah.
That's where we're gonna go.
Yeah. Hey, Dad. Evan, when we get out, touch that. Dad, can we?
If we can make it there, that is.
Dad? Where's that grasshopper sleeping? Oh!
Alright, so we find ourselves here at one of the exits. We came in on a road that didn't have any no trespassing signs and kind of worked our way through the maze of roads, and we find ourselves here at an exit that is clearly designed to not allow people in, and I want to go out. I think I found a way out, but I also think it might be the most extreme thing that our car has ever done. So, we will see.
Dad.
Alright, so we came up to this dead end, like I just said a second ago, and I needed to try to find a way out because we'd like to get back to our brother-in-law's house, and they definitely purposely barricaded this area off so you can't get in or out. But I found this one spot between the posts, between these two posts, and from straight on, I don't think we could make it. But right here, we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna go down in there, kind of turn. I am super stoked that we just made that. It slid a little bit there in the rear, but I think it was just my hitch and my muffler. But yeah, we're out of here. So that's our adventure for today. So, can't keep us in.
That's like a duty deer. I like a duty deer.
Is that awesome that we made it, guys?
Duty deer.
Yeah.
I was trying to go down this.
Yeah. Hey guys, say, that's it, folks. See you on the next adventure.
That's it, folks. See you on the next adventure. The waves, stay out. You'll see you not on the next adventure.
All right.